So, yeah, checked out Nelson. Now I'm at my Freedom campsite. View's pretty nice. So windy though, I have no idea if my pot of water is ever going to boil, but yeah, once it does, I can make myself some pasta. So I've been on the South Island for, I guess it's been just over a week now. And when I got here, I met up with a friend of mine and he has a van. So we did like a van life thing down to Christchurch, which was really cool. I went to Nelson for a night on my own. This is the beach. And the plan is today, because I'm obsessed with peanut butter, I decided to go do the Pix peanut butter factory tour. I'm really pumped about that. So that should be fun. But anyways, back to Nelson and back to this beach. And I made it to Pix. The peanut butter on this side of the world is absolutely incredible. They do not add sugar to it like they do back at home in Canada, and I'm so pumped to see how it's made here. The happiest place in Nelson. Look at that.
So the story of Pix goes something like this. In 2007, Pix Picto, the founder, bought a jar of peanut butter. He took it home and made himself a sandwich. To his disappointment, he found it was full of sugar. Pix recalled that in his youth, his mother and aunt made their own peanut butter. So he went out and bought a couple of kgs of peanuts and roasted them in his oven. He was 55 when he started his business, first selling the spread at farmers markets. These days, it can be found at every grocery store across New Zealand.
And that was well worth the tour. I just picked myself up some peanut butter with chocolate. Ooh, and I got a slug with it because apparently it's their 2-year anniversary, 2-year birthday, because they opened up the doors to this place 2 years ago. It's been around longer than that. 12 years, I'd say. I need to look into that and I'll put this in the video at some point. But anyways, yeah, picked up some chocolate peanut butter. Really excited about it. And on to Greymouth.